Your Google Ads campaign looks fine on the surface, decent CPA conversions coming in, but break it down by devices and the picture looks very different. Here is what device level CPA imbalance look like in reality. Desktop CPA $180 converting well. Mobile CPA $740 burning budget. Your blended CPA looks acceptable, so nobody questions it. But mobile is quietly eating 4 times the cost per conversion. That's not a small gap, that's a serious leak. And to catch this manually across 10 plus accounts, you would have to open each one, go to account, go to campaigns, check when and where your ads are showed. Check the CPA per device and compare against your target. And repeat that for every single campaign. That's not a 5-minute job, that's hour of work every week just to find one type of issue. And most teams skip it entirely because there is always something more urgent. Adtunez flags this for you automatically. You just have to sign up to Adtunez and you will be redirected to the account page where you can simply click on the issues and you will be redirected to the issues page. And here you have to simply click on device CPA imbalances, and you can see as in this screen the device CPA is $169 and mobile CPA is $23, which is a difference of 628.33%, which is a huge difference. So you see it instantly which device is bleeding and how much it's off and which campaign to fix first. A blended CPA that looks fine can be hiding a device that's destroying your margin. Stop letting it slide. Sign up to Adtunez today and link is in the description.